Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: Flutter SDK, an IDE, and a device or emulator. Open your terminal and run Flutter. Create my app to scaffold a starter project. This sets up Android and iOS configs. Once done, open the project in VS Code or Android Studio and install the Flutter and Dart extensions so hot reload works. Connect a device or start an emulator, then run Flutter Run to confirm the app boots. These first steps establish a working baseline so you can iterate quickly. Now you build the middle, UI and state. Start by crafting small widgets. Prefer stateless widget until you need to manage changes, then switch to stateful widget. Once done, refactor repeated UI into reusable components and place them in clear folders like /widgets and /screens so navigation stays tidy. For state, pick one approach. Set state for simple screens, provider or riverpod for shared app state, or block for complex flows. Make sure to hot reload frequently to validate UI and logic changes as you progress. Finish by testing, building, and deploying. Add unit and widget tests to catch regressions, run Flutter test and iterate until green. Next, produce release builds with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build iOS, then install on physical devices to validate performance and permissions. Once done, prepare store assets and follow platform signing steps. If something breaks, use Flutter Run for live logs, a DB logcat for Android traces, and rerun Flutter Doctor to spot missing tools. This single troubleshooting tip solves most environment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.